morning student. This video for class 9 students. We have successfully completed chapter number 1, chapter number 2 and chapter number 3. We have seen how many questions are coming from these particular topics in a board examination. Today I'm going to start the next topic. The name of the chapter is factorization, that is chapter number 4. So in this chapter many types are given, and accordingly we have to learn the factorization part. Today I will discuss only first type. Type 1, it is factorizing by taking out common factors. Means this is the first type. What does it mean? It means if you are going to start any factorization, then you have to move through this process first. What is the first process? The first process is you should take anything is common in a given question or not. If it is common, then take it out. That is the first step of factorization. So in this exercise you will find all the questions where the first type will be implemented. So look at the first question of this exercise. The question is 8x y cube plus 12x square y square. Okay, so in this question I have to search what is the common part. The first step is, if you find any type, first of all your duty is to check whether it is going through the first step or not. If it is not in the first step, then you should move for the next step. But first step is your duty to check whether anything is common or not in the given question. So in this question, you know, it is 8, it is 12. I think 4 is common over here. So 4 you should take. X is here, x square here. Definitely x is common. Y cube is here, y square here. So y square is common. So keep the bracket. Now here you should write 4 2s are 8. X we have taken common. Y square I have taken common. So only y will remain inside the bracket. Plus now 4 is common I have taken. So 3 will be remaining. And x I have taken. So x will remain. Y square completely it will go outside. So definitely this is your final answer. So the first step, and this is the final step, because further we cannot factorize it. So this is the factorization of this part. Question number 1, first part. So learn it. Very simple type. Just you have to see anything is common, you just take it out. This is the first question, first part. You should try first question, second part yourself. Now students, see the second question here. 21p y square minus 56p y. So what is common? I know in the table of 7 both the numbers are coming. So 7 you should take common. Then p is here also. So p will come common. Y square and y. So y will be common. So here 7 3 ja 21, and y will also come because one y we have taken outside. 7 8 ja 56. So py we have taken common only 3y minus 8. It is the answer of question number 2, first part. You must try second part like this only. Now move for question number 3, first part. It is 2 pi r square minus 4 pi r. So in this question 2 is common, pi is common, r is common. 2 pi r is common. So in the bracket it will be only r minus 2 2s are 4, this much. So this is the answer. You should try second part of this question also. Look at this next question here. 25 a b c square minus 15 a square b square c. So here we have 5 is common, because in the table of 5 25 and 15 is coming. A is common, b is common, c is common. So 5 5 is 25. A b we have taken common. So a b c we have taken common. So c will remain here. Minus 5 3 is 15. A b will be there. So this is the answer of this question. Only one line. Try the second part. Now look at the next part. It is given 8x cube minus 6x square plus 10x. So here what is common? 2 is common, x is common. So in bracket it will be 2 4 ja 8 x square minus 2 3 ja 6. It is x and plus 2 5s are 10. So this is the final answer, because further we cannot solve it. Now look at the another question. This is 18 p square q square minus 24 p q square plus 30 p square q. In this question we should take the common is 3 6, I think maximum common we have to take 6 p q. 6 3 are 18 p q, 6 4 are 24 q plus 6 5 are 30 p only. So this is the answer. So you should try the questions. So student, what you have to do, my suggestion is you should try the questions from this exercise. Okay, if the problems will come, definitely your mind will work out. Okay, if any doubt you have, you should mark and keep this question ready for asking in the contact classes. Okay student, so try. Thank you very much.